In this video, I want to show you how you can trade from the TradingView platform. So what you want to do is open up the charts and you want to select up here what you want to trade. So I just chose Tesla. Then what you want to do is let me just go out of the demo account, but you want to click on the trading panel down here. You can drag on the gray box here to open it, and you want to connect your broker. So if you don't see it here, just click here, connect your broker, or make a paper trading account. Now, once you've done this, what you want to do is we want to make an order. So to do this, right click, press trade, and create new order. I like using a limit order. And in here, what you can do is you'll see now this one appears. So this is where the price will be at. So the price that I'm going to execute the order. So let's just say, or you can put it up here. Let's say once it hits 277, at 277, I want my order to begin. Then you can put a take profit and a stop loss. And let's say the take profit, you want to put this at 310. And my stop loss, I want to put this at 250. Now you can see this will be my buy order. This basically means that when the price hits 277, which is this one, then my order will begin. If it hits my take profit, it's gonna close my order and take the profit. If it hits the stop loss, it's gonna close the order and take my stop loss. Then simply press buy, and if you want to make a sell order, you want to press sell instead, but obviously then these two need to be reversed. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.